Hello everyone, welcome back to Quest for Fresh. So before starting the recipe, I would like to wish a very happy Tamil New Year and wish you to all of you. And for this auspicious day, I plan to make a very simple and easy kheer or payasam recipe, you can call it. So today we are going to make palm fruit payasam or nongu payasam it is called in Tamil. It is very simple and easy to make. So let's start the recipe. Here I am taking half liter of milk. Let it boil. So I am placing it for boiling. And while the milk is boiling, let's prepare some dry fruit paste for the payasam. First, for the dry fruit paste, I am taking almost 1 small teaspoon of poppy seeds, which I have soaked in hot water. And you should remember that you should not add more than 1 teaspoon because it'll taste a bit bitter. So you have to be very conscious about the quantity. Then here I have soaked some cashews and almonds, and I have removed almond skin. Add these soaked nuts also. Now here I am taking another nut which is called chironji, that I am adding 1 teaspoon. Now I am adding a little bit of milk to make the paste. Now ground this mixture in a very smooth paste. Now this is the main ingredient for the payasam. I am taking palm fruit, which I am going to chop into small pieces. The chunks has to be a bit in medium size. It should not be very small. It should be in bite size. Then only it will be tasting good in the kheer. Add the ground paste and stir it well to avoid lumps. After 5 to 10 minutes, when you can see that the milk is a bit thickening because as we added the nut paste, and then we have to add 2 teaspoons of chironji. This will give a nice bite to the kheer. Now you have to add 200 ml of condensed milk. You can even add sugar if you wish, but I am not using sugar in this payasam or kheer because I like the taste of condensed milk more than sugar in this payasam. So if you wish, you can even add half condensed milk and half sugar, but here I am using only 200 ml of condensed milk. Before switching off the gas, you should add cardamom powder, so that it will retain its flavor. After adding cardamom powder, switch off the gas. Now you have to add almost 1 bowl of palm fruit puree. What I did, I have taken the fruits and just pureed in simple form. Now after adding the palm fruit puree, add the diced palm fruit cubes. Now mix everything well. You should not cook the payasam or kheer after adding the palm fruit puree and the cubes, because it will not taste good. So you have to add these things only after switching off the gas. Now finally I am adding dried rose petals. You can even add rose water instead of rose petals. Now mix well and serve into the bowl. So here my healthy palm fruit kheer or payasam is ready. So please do try for this New Year celebration, and please let me know how it turned out. And if you like my recipe, please give a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. Until next video, take care. Bye bye.